In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eToro phone number. Let's get started by opening the eToro app or visiting their website on your preferred browser. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as this will help avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you have the app or site open, you'll need to sign in to your account. Enter your credentials carefully, and remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial for protecting your account. After signing in, you will find yourself on the home screen of your account. From here, navigate to the settings. On the app, you can do this by tapping the profile icon, which is usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. If you're using the website, look for a similar icon or a menu that leads to your account settings. This step is important because it leads you to all your personal and account information. With the settings menu open, you should see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. You're now entering the section where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, locate and tap on Personal Details or Phone Number depending on your interface. This is where you can view or change your current phone number. Now it's time to edit or add your new phone number. Carefully type in your new mobile number, ensuring that you include the correct country code. This is crucial because an incorrect country code can lead to verification issues later on. Entering the number accurately saves you time and hassle. Next up, you need to verify this new number. eToro will send an SMS code to the number you just entered. Keep an eye on your phone for this message. Enter the code you receive into the app or website to confirm that you have access to this new number. This verification step is vital to ensure the security of your account and to confirm your identity. After entering the verification code, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save or Confirm button and tap on it. This action makes sure your new phone number is registered with your account. Now, all you need to do is wait for the update to reflect in your account settings. This might take a moment, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your phone number on eToro. By following these steps, you've ensured that your contact information is up to date, which is important for account recovery and security notifications. Remember, keeping your account details current helps you stay informed about your account activity and transactions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!